Welcome to our lesson about editing views. I'm in a drawing document. Let's begin with the base view. Let's change the scale. Let's say 4:1, and we'll drop it about here. And right-click Create. Now to edit the view, right-click on the view and select Edit View. Let's change the scale, for example, to 2:1. And let's make the view shaded. Click OK. Notice that when I change the parent view, the child view changes also. Let's change one of the children views. Right-click, Edit View. Notice that most of our options now are grayed out. To change this view, we need to unlink the child and the parent by unchecking Scale from Base. Let's try 4:1, and let's unlink Style from Base as well by unchecking this box. We can change the style now, hidden lines removed, and we can choose to make this view shaded or not. Let's click OK. And here's our modified child view. This concludes our lesson about editing views.